Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can hard reset or factory data reset on the Samsung Galaxy A53. So first let's tap on the home button to go back to the home screen, and on the home screen swipe down at the top, and from the menu tap on the settings icon. Next in here you want to scroll down and tap on General Net Management. Next, go down to the bottom and tap on Reset. In here, tap on Factory Data Reset. Then tap on the Reset button. Then tap on Delete All. Now, if you have signed into your device, you might need to put in your Samsung account or Google account ID so that you can remove your account from the device before it will go ahead and reset the device. Now, because I have not signed into this phone, so it can simply just go ahead and delete without asking me to put in my user account password. And that's it. Once it has been fully reset, you can go ahead and set up your device again as if you just have pulled it out of the box. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos. Now, before you actually reset your device, make sure you have backup any data that you want to keep, such as contacts, documents, apps, or pictures and videos. Make sure you have backed them up to another device, or backed them up to the to the cloud server, or backed them up to your computer. Thank you for watching.